Hello, my name is Dr. Srikanth V. I'm a practicing plastic surgeon. I practice at Clinique Belle and at Manipal hospitals. Jaw replacing procedure, how is it done? The lower jaw forms almost 1/3 of the lower part of the face. The shape of the jaw defines the way that you look. Some people may have a very receded jaw, some people may have a very prominent jaw, some people have wide jaws, some people have a strong jawline, some people have a very muted jawline. Some of these things can be corrected to the way that you want to do. For example, if you have a slightly receded chin, we can reshape the jaw by bringing it slightly forward so that you have a more prominent, more strong and a triangular looking chin. In some people, the jaw is so receded that we may have to advance the whole lower jaw to a better position so that we can give a prominent chin. In other people, especially as we grow older, there will be a lot of fat around the jawline, causing it to lose the jawline. In such people, a liposuction can be attempted to create a nice looking jawline. Very rarely, in some people who have a very wide jaw because of the flaring of the bones, these can be reshaped. That means the entire bone has to be reshaped so that it goes in so that you get a triangular looking face. These are the different procedures that you can do to reshape the jaw. In some people, you can reshape the upper jaw too, but these are much more complicated procedures and they are very specific indications and has to be done only by a trained surgeon. Otherwise, things can go wrong. But you remember that you can shape the jaw, and shaping of the jaw is also an adjunct to other procedures like rhinoplasty, wherein you get your nose shape change and you change the shape of the lower jaw, like a chin advancement or a chin recession, so that it brings more balance to your face.